Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today we will going to learn a poem If I Were Lord of Tartary, written by Walter de la Mare. In the previous video we already learned two stanzas of the poem. Now today we will learn the last remaining two stanzas of the poem. This poem is given in your book semester 1 on page number 28. Now let's begin with our poem. Yes. If I were a lord of Tartary, I would wear a robe of beads. Again the poet is telling that if he would be the lord of Tartary, he would wear a robe of beads. What is the meaning of robe? Robe means a long loose garment that is used to cover our बॉडी. ठीक है, लॉन्ग लूज गारमेंट होता है, क्लोथ होता है जो हम क्या करते हैं हमारी बॉडी को कवर करने के लिए हम पहनते हैं. रोब ऑफ बीड्स एंड द रोब इज मेड अप ऑफ बीड्स. ठीक है, द पोएट वांट द रोब शुड बी मेड अप ऑफ बीड्स. बीड, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बीड्स? बीड्स इज अ स्मॉल सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग दैट इज यूज्ड टू मेक अ ज्वेलरी. इन हिंदी इट इज नोन एज मोती. ठीक है, मोती जो होती है ना वो. ओके, white and gold and silver they would be, and the poet want the color of the beads, जो मोतियाँ होंगी, the color of the beads should be of white, gold and green. It should be white, gold and green. Okay, and small and thick as seeds. Okay, here the beads are compared with the seeds. ठीक है, the poet is telling that the beads should be like small and thick as seeds. किसकी तरह होना चाहिए? It should be small and thick. Thick means मोटा. ठीक है, it should be small and thick like a seeds. Okay, and here should be the morning star. I would don my robe and scimitar. Okay, the poet is telling that before the morning star disappear होने से पहले I would don my robe and scimitar. Okay, before the morning star disappear, the poet want to don his robe. Okay, don means to wear, पहनना. ठीक है, morning star disappear होने से पहले the poet want to wear his robe. ठीक है, robe a long garment and his scimitar. Scimitar means a small or a medium size of sword. ठीक है, जिसे हम कहते हैं it's known as तलवार. ठीक है, he wanted to keep the scimitar on his waist. See that जो kings होते हैं वो अपने वेस्ट में क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे स्मॉल स्वॉर्ड रखते हैं. ठीक है, स्मॉल और मीडियम साइज का जो रहता है सेमीटर वो यहाँ पे रखते हैं. ठीक है, दैट इज नोन एज सेमीटर. एंड ज़ेब्रा 7 शुड डॉन माय कार. ओके, आफ्टर गेटिंग रेडी ही वांट्स द कार शुड बी रेडी. कार मीन्स अ चैरिट, रथ. ठीक है, इस कार शुड बी रेडी एंड इट शुड बी ड्रॉन बाय द 7 ज़ेब्रास. ठीक है, कौन चलाएगा उसकी कार को? 7 ज़ेब्रास. ठीक है, थ्रू टार्टरीज डार्क ग्लेम्स. ठीक है, ही वांट्स after sitting on the cart he wanted to go through the Tartar's dark glades. Glades means forest. Okay, after sitting on his cart he wanted to go in the land in the dark forest of the Tartary. ठीक है, dark forest जो होगा एकदम घना जंगल, उसमें वो जाना चाहते हैं. Lord of fruits of Tartary, her river silver pale. Again the poet is telling that he want to be the lord of fruits. Whatever the fruits are growing in the land of Tartary, he wanted to be the master of that fruits also. He don't want to share anything with anyone. Okay, her river silver pale, and he also want that whatever the river is flowing in the land of Tartary, it should be of which color? It should be of silver color. Okay, the river should have which color? Silver color. Okay, now we will come to the last stanza of our poem. Lords of the hills of Tartary, glade, thicket, wood and dale. Again the poet wanted to be the lord of hills. Hills means mountain. Okay, glade, narrow valley. ठीक है, glade means narrow valley. ठीक है, जो सकड़ी होती है उसे कहते हैं narrow valley. thicket means bushes means झाड़ियाँ. Okay, wood means forest and dale means valley. In Hindi it is known as घाटी. Okay, so the poet wanted to be the lord of hills. Hills means mountain. Glade means narrow valley. Thicket means bushes. Wood means forest and dale means valley. Okay, he wanted to be the lord of this thing also. Her flashing star, her scented breeze. Again the poet is the stars that will appear in the night, it should be a flashing star, it should be a bright star, ठीक है, it should look like a diamond, ठीक है, जो stars appears होंगे it should look like a diamond, it should have a flashing lights, okay, इतना वो flash होना चाहिए. Her scented breeze, and whatever the breeze will flow from there, मतलब breeze means wind, हवा, ठीक है, जो हवा वहाँ से flow होगी it should also have a nice fragrance, ठीक है, nice smell, ठीक है, जो भी हवा वहाँ पे तब flow होगी it should have a nice fragrance, ठीक है. Her tumbling lakes like formless seas, and whatever the lakes, seas and river, it should be clear, it should be clear, okay, clear as a crystal, means जो lakes, river and sea, जो seas जो होंगे वो कैसे होंगे, it should be clear like a crystal, means उसमें कोई dirtiness and dirtiness नहीं होगी, and it should be foamless, ठीक है, means उसमें कोई गंदी चीजें नहीं होंगी, okay. Her bird delighting citron trees, again the poet want the bird should delight on citron trees, delight means to happy, to be happy, okay, on citron trees. Citron means, citron is a small fruit look like a lemon, okay. This picture is given on page number 30 in your book, you can see over there, okay. The poet want the bird should delight and to sing on the citron tree, okay, in every purple vale, and every purple vale means valley, okay, vale means valley, and the poet also want the जो भी valley होगी वहाँ पे it should be of which color, it should be of purple color, means whatever the plants, trees and flower will grow in the valley, it should only of which color, it should only of purple color, so the color of the valley only look purple, okay, clear all of you. So this is how the poet Walter he pictures his imaginations in such a beautiful way. He imagined that he lived like a king in the land of Tartary. Yes, and so it was an imagination, but still he fills his imagination with lots of colors and various imaginations. I want you all you people also imagine this kind of wonderland and enjoy your imaginations. Okay, I hope you all are clear with this poem. Okay, revise this, read this poem once again, learn the word meanings. Okay, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Have a great day.